In this short video, I'll guide you on how to permanently delete your Facebook account in just a few simple steps. This can be daunting for many, but it's important to regain control over your digital presence. Imagine no longer worrying about privacy issues, unsolicited ads, or the countless hours spent scrolling through your feed. Those who've permanently deleted their accounts often describe it as freeing, giving them more time and peace of mind. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar challenges, including deleting accounts across various platforms. Stay with me until the end to convert your Facebook account to a business account. Now let's get started on how to delete a Facebook account. To start, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Next, click on the three-line menu icon in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right for iPhone. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and select Account Center under the Meta section. Tap Personal Details, then select Account Ownership and Control. Choose Deactivation or Deletion from the options provided, then select the Facebook account you want to delete if multiple accounts are linked. Select Delete Account, then tap Continue to proceed. If you're an admin of any Facebook pages, they will also be deleted unless you assign another administration. Adjust this in the page settings before continuing. You will be prompted to enter your Facebook password for security, then tap Continue. Facebook may prompt you to select a reason for deleting your account. You can either choose a reason or skip this step. Carefully review the reminders about permanent deletion. If you're ready, scroll to the bottom and tap Delete Account. Enter your Facebook password when prompted and click Continue. Finally, hit the Delete Account button one last time. Before the last step, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's finish learning how to erase Facebook account. Once you initiate the deletion process, Facebook allows a 30-day grace period during which you can reactivate your account if you change your mind. After 30 days, your account, along with all associated data, will be permanently deleted. Messages you've sent to others will remain visible on their end. But what if I just want to convert the FB profile to a business page? No worries, in this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to convert a Facebook profile to a page. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Facebook video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.